Hi, young scientists. Welcome to Curious Minds. Have you ever seen lightning flash across the sky and wondered, what is that and why does it happen? Well, today we're on a mission to crack the case of lightning. Get your science goggles ready. It's time to investigate. Let's start with the basics. Lightning is a giant spark of electricity in the sky. It happens during storms when the clouds get supercharged. But how does that happen? Let's zoom in and find out. Inside the cloud, little water and ice particles bump into each other, creating electricity. The positive charges go to the top and the negative charges stay at the bottom. When the cloud gets too full of energy, zap, a lightning bolt shoots out. Did you know there are different types of lightning? There's cloud-to-cloud lightning that stays up high, cloud-to-ground lightning that touches the earth, and even sheet lightning that makes the whole sky glow. What's your favorite type of lightning? Okay, we've seen how amazing lightning is, but it can also be dangerous. So let's talk about safety. Rule number 1. Never stand under a tree during a storm. Lightning likes tall things, and that tree could be next. The safest place to be is inside. And if you're in a car, guess what? You're safe there too, because the car acts like a shield. Cool, huh? Did you know lightning is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? Whoa! A single lightning bolt is only about an inch wide but stretches for miles. And some people study lightning for a living. They're called meteorologists. Here's a fun experiment you can try at home. Rub a balloon on your hair and watch what happens. This is called static electricity, and it's kind of like how lightning is made in the clouds. Science is so cool. Thanks for joining me on this electrifying adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another science story. Remember, science helps us understand the wonders of the world and beyond. Bye.